So children, today in the arithmetic progression, okay, so we have found out how to find the nth term, how to find from reverse order, how to find number of terms, everything. Today children, we will find out how to find the sum of terms. Please mute your audios, all of you. How to find the sum of terms. Children, for finding nth term, the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But for finding the sum of n terms, formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. I will teach you children, don't worry, this is a formula for finding sum of n terms. Okay children, example, see here, 1, 4, 7, 10. What is the next term? Can anyone say what will be the next term in the series?
13,
13,
Next term?
15, 15,
No.
16,
16,
And so on. This is called first term. This is called second term, third term, fourth term,
fourth term,
fifth
fifth
term,
term,
sixth term.
sixth term.
Now, children, if I ask you what is sixth term, what will be the formula you will use normally? A plus n minus 1 into d. What was a, children? Till now we were doing 1.
1
Because
plus,
I want sixth term, 6 minus 1.
plus 1 into
Common difference is
3.
so children, 1 plus 5 3
3.
15, 16. Sixth term is 16. Is it correct, children?
yes sir,
Okay. Now, children, 1 plus 4 is how much? Anyone? 1 plus 4?
5,
5 plus 7?
5, 12,
12 plus 10?
12,
10, 22,
22,
22 plus 13? 35.
35,
35 plus 16? 51. Okay, children, how much?
51,
51,
51. Now find sum of 6 terms. In this sequence only, find this sum. How much we got? 51. Now, children, using this formula also you will get 51 only. See, children, if you want. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. What is n, children, here? 6 terms. I want sum of 6 terms. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This sum I want. Okay. 2 into 1 plus 6 minus 1. Common difference is 3. 6 by 2 is 3, children. 2 plus 15. We see here, children, 3 into 17. Children, you understood, children? How I got?
yes sir.
So, children, sum of 6, if you want to find the sum of n terms, if you want to find the sum of n terms, then this is the formula. If you want to find the sum of n terms, then this is the formula, children. If you want to find the sum of just 6 terms, means just what is the sixth term means 16. What is sum of 6 terms means 51. Okay, those who did not understand, one more sum I will discuss, children. Please listen carefully. Easy terminology, children, I am using. Second one, okay, one more sum I am teaching. Suppose, children, there is a sequence like this: 3, 8, 13, and so on. Children, after 3, 8 is coming. After 8, 13 is coming. After 13, what will come? Can anyone say?
18,
After 18,
23,
23,
after 23,
28,
after 28,
33,
33,
and so on. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
So, seventh term is what? 33. How we got?
33.
By using this formula: a plus n minus 1 into b.
minus 1 into b,
What is the common difference, children? Plus 5.
5,
5,
So 3 plus 6 5 are 30, 33. Okay. Seventh term is what, children? 33.
33,
But if I
33.
want sum of 7 terms, means all these things you should have. Is it not big? Will it not become big, children? Instead of
Yes,
that, directly
Yes,
you do
sir.
sum. This uses form. Sum of it.
7 is
N by 2 into
n by 2
2a plus.
2a
plus
n minus 1
1
into
into
d.
d,
I want sum of 7 terms.
7
First term is 3.
7 by 2 and
7 minus 1. Common
plus
difference is
1
5.
is 1 to
7 by 2 into
7
5.
6
2
plus
into 6
6
plus
plus
30.
26 plus 30,
7 by
7 by 2
2
into
36.
36,
So
7 into 8,
126, children.
126.
Directly we got 126. You need not to do, children, all these things. Okay. No, sir, we won't believe in. So if you want, see 3 plus 8, how much, children? 11. 11 plus 13 is how much? 24.
24.
Sum of 3 terms is 24. Yes or no? Sum of 3 terms is 24. You check if you want.
Yes, sir.
Using the formula, you check, children. 3 by 2 into a plus 3 minus 1 into common difference is 5, children. 3 by 2 into 3 plus 10. 3 by 2 into 13.
13.
1 second, common difference is 5 only, no? A 3 by 2, sum of 3 terms. Yeah. 13 3 is a. No.
39 by 2.
Did we do anywhere mistake, children? Did we do mistake? Yeah, 3 minus 5 is 10.
Sir, 2 into A, I think.
2a, yeah.
2 into
Very
n,
good.
sir.
Thank you. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Sir. Thank you. So it is 16. So children, you see 2 8 is 16, 8 3s are 24. See, children, sum of 3 terms is 24. Finish, children, like this. So children, what is the use of this formula? Means it will help you to find out the sum of terms. What is the use of this?
Helps in finding the sum of
Helps to
terms.
find out sum of terms.
It helps to find out sum of terms. Helps you to find nth term. Okay, children.
So
Everyone
in
understand?
place of A, what should we keep, sir?
In place of n
A.
by 2a, this is 2a actually. I kept a, sorry, this is 2a. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, children. I kept here correctly only, here correctly only, here I kept wrong. It is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Yes, sir. What should we keep
In place of
in
a
place
is
of
first term we have to keep. First term.
Okay.
First term. Okay, children. So come on, children. Now we will do some numericals basing on this, children. 1 second. Okay, children. Come on. Come on, children. See here. 4 9 14. 4 9 14. In this sequence, I want 10th term and sum of 10 terms. 1 second, children. Be online. 1 second. Okay, children. So we'll start one by one. Sahasra, you tell
Yes,
A10.
sir.
A10.
Yes, sir. A10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So 4 plus 4 minus 1 into 5.
Sir, 10 minus 1, sir.
Yeah, I want 10th term. No, yeah, 10 minus 1. 9 5 are 45.
45.
49.
So 49.
Srikati, sum of 10 terms you find.
Yes, sir. S10 is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay. So sum of 10 terms. 10 by 2 into
10 by 2 is into 2 into 4 plus 10 into 10 minus 1 into 5. 5 into 8 plus 45. 5 into 53 is equals to 265.
265. So children, 10th term is 49 and sum of 10 terms is 265. Try to understand, children. Try to understand. Okay. Fourth question. Next, Nikita is there. Nikita absent, I think. Yashika, are you there? I'm not able to hear you. So children, in this we have to find sum of 20 terms and some 20th term we will find and sum of 20 terms. Okay, Nikita, tell 20th term. A plus n minus 1 into d. 21 plus 20 minus 1. Common difference is how much? 21. 21 plus 19 into 21. Take 21 common. 1 plus 19. So 21 into 20. How much is that? 420.
420.
So children, in this series, 20th term is 420 children. Okay, Ishika, now you tell sum of 20 terms.
Yes, sir. So it's equal to S20 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it's equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into 21 plus 20 minus 1 into 20.
Okay.
So then it's 10 into 42 plus 19 into 21.
In this
So
terms, you see this we can write 21 into 2, no?
21 into 2 and it's 19 plus 21.
21 take common,
Okay.
so 2 plus
2
19.
plus 9. So,
So
10 into 21 into 21.
21,
which
21
is,
is 4, 4, 1, 0.
4410.
4, 4, 1, 0, like this. Children. So, children, 20th term is 420, but sum of 20 terms is 4, 4, 1, 0. Children, there is a lot of difference, children. Okay, third term is 63, but sum of 3 terms is different. Okay, second term is 42, but sum of second 2 terms is 63, like that, children. Try to understand, children. You're able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Narayana is there?
Yes,
sir. Narayana does this one.
Yes.
11, 8, 11, 8, 5, 2, so. In this, I want 30th term. Can tell me how to do? A plus,
Sir, a plus n minus 1 d, sir.
okay.
Sir, equals to 11 plus 13 minus 1. Sir, minus 3. 11 plus 29 into minus 3, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 11 minus 87.
So minus 76. In the same sequence, if you go reverse, minus 76 is the 30th term, children. 30th term is minus 76. Okay. Now we will find sum of 30 terms. So the sum of 30 terms formula.
Sir, it's a n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, sir.
Okay. 2
It's
into
equal to, sir, it's equal to 30 by 2, brackets 2 into 11 plus 30 minus 1, sir, minus 3, sir, is equal to 15 into 22, sir, minus 87, sir, 15 equal to 10 minus 1 minus 65, sir, minus 65 minus.
So children, 30th term is minus 76, but sum of 30 terms is minus 650.
Minus 650.
There is a lot of difference, children. So if you know this formula, what is the sum of n terms, children? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, children. Are you able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children, you are able to understand? Okay, the basing
Yes,
on
sir.
this sum of sums we'll do in the next class, but a small, before leaving, a small discussion, children. Basing on this formula, children, there was a beautiful story, children. Basing on this formula. Basing on this formula, there is a story, children. When one of the famous scientists, children, is okay. When they all are in the class, sir asked to all of them count from 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100. All of you mute your audios. Sir asked, please mute your audios. I said. Sir asked to count 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100 children. So everyone started counting children. But one intelligent student will be there, no children. Definitely one student will be there. Okay. So what he did was children, simple logic he used children. Okay. This formula was not there, children. This formula was not there. But he did it at instant. That is called intelligence, children. Okay. So how he did, children? 1 second. So what he did means, children, like first term is a, second term is a plus common difference, third term is a plus 2d. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. If you do all this sum, what do you get, children? Sn. This is first term. This is second term. How you will get second term, children? First term plus common difference gives second term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Second term plus common difference gives third term. Yes or no? Like
Yes, sir.
now what he did, once he added reverse all these things. A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 2 into d, like that. Up to a he added. Again Sn here. So when he added all this, Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Yes. Okay, children. This plus this is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again, this plus this also 2a plus
2a
n
plus
minus
n
1
minus
into d.
1 into d.
And this plus this also 2a plus n minus
Plus
1
1
into
into
d.
D.
Like this will come how many times, children? How many times the same thing will come? N number of times you'll get, children. Same thing, how many times you get? N number of times.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and this 2, he took their children. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Instantly he made this formula. And sir, he told to sir, sum of 100 terms, children. What is sum of 100 terms? 100 by 2 into 2 into 1. First term is 1 more, children, plus
Yes, sir.
100 minus 1. Common difference is how much, children? Everywhere 1.
1.
Then this is 50, children. This is 2 plus 99. This is 50 plus 101, children. So 5050, he said instantaneously. By the time everyone did not reach even 3040, he invented this formula and he told this formula. And the famous scientist name is Gauss. Okay, children, he invented that formula, children. Sum of n terms. Immediately he told of answer. That is called intelligence, children. That comes with practice and love on the subject, children. Thank you so much.